Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best portable beach hammocks that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Amasslove Outdoor Camping Hammock. This particular hammock is colorful in appearance that makes it catchy to the eyes, and thus, it would be an interesting addition to your outdoor activity. It has a weight-bearing capacity of 600 pounds. When you are looking for such products that could be vital for your outdoor activities, whether you are going on a small vacation to the beach, just traveling, going camping, it is best to be aware of the different features that are vital. It is lightweight and hence portable, plus there is a carrying bag that would allow you to carry it along where you like. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Patio Garter 14FT Portable Beach Hammocks. This particular hammock has a weight-bearing capacity of 450 pounds, which is important for you to know before you make a final purchase decision. You have to get the hammock that you can easily use as per the weight. It is lightweight and hence portable, thus carrying it would be easy from one place to another. The fabric is designed to be durable and is water and oil resistant. You can use it for yourself, and if you are out of ideas for selecting a suitable gift for someone, you can consider this particular hammock. At number 3, we have the CJ Ultra Outdoors Cotton Fabric Canvas Travel Hammocks. This particular hammock is available with the tree straps. You would find it easy to pack and carry, plus the weight-bearing capacity of this product is 450 pounds. It is easy to hang it, so you need not worry about it. Thus, if you are planning to go for outdoor activity, it would be a good idea to take your various items along, including a hammock that can give you a sense of relief and peace of mind. It is important to enjoy your precious life moments, and a product like this can be of great help in getting a sense of relaxation and the feeling of a suitable vacation. At number 2, we have the Winter Outfitters Double Camping Hammock. If you are looking for a double camping hammock that is suitable for backpacking, travel, beach, and so much more, take a look at this particular one, since it is composed of lightweight nylon and thus portable. It means carrying it would be easy from one place to another. You should be aware of the weight-bearing capacity, which in this case is 500 pounds. All you need is 3 minutes of your time to set it up. It is that simple. If you are running out of ideas to give a gift to someone, you can choose this hammock as a suitable gift. And finally, at number 1, we have the Giantex Portable Hammock with Stand Folds. This particular hammock is portable and is with stand folds that makes it interesting. It is designed in such a way that it would be easy for you to carry along. Thus, if you are going for outdoor activities, you can take it along to rest or relax. You can use it on your patio, garden, and so much more. It is composed of material of good quality and is weather resistant, so you need not worry about the weather conditions. When you are getting such items that are suitable for outdoor use, it is wise to check how easy assembly is. As for this one, you would find it easy to assemble. But, you can check what customers have been saying by going through the reviews. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.